Welcome to The Editing Coach. My name is Stina and I started this business over a decade ago to help people overcome technical hurdles and make it easier to start creating their own videos. Everything we do daily, including creating a video, begins with the idea. In this video, I will walk you through how you plan your video production from concept to finished video file. Let's start by asking some fundamental questions. What do you want to make a video about? What do you want to show and to whom? And most importantly, why? Answering these questions will make your video creation process much smoother. But before we proceed, let's talk about the crucial word why. When you have a clear why, it becomes much easier to move forward with your video planning. The most important question of all, why are you creating this video? This why helps you create a clear thread throughout your content. It in turn makes the content and message clearer for the audience. What? What is the purpose and what do you hope to achieve? Is it a tutorial, a story, information, advertisement, or perhaps a snippet from your daily life? Clarity here will serve as your compass throughout the production. Who? Understanding your audience is key to creating relevant and engaging videos. Identify which visual elements and messages appeal most to viewers. Tailor the content to create a meaningful experience for them. Which format? Consider where your video will be displayed. Is it for YouTube, Instagram, or perhaps a corporate website? Adjust the format and content to fit the platform's requirements and your audience preferences. Here the technical aspects also come in. Plan for the technical details. What equipment do you need? How will you edit and cut your video? Having a clear technical plan minimizes stress during production. When? Set a realistic timeline. Having a clear schedule for shooting, editing and publishing helps you stay organized and avoid unnecessary stress. Always keep a notebook or digital platform handy. Write down your ideas and reflections as they come to you. It could be a conceptual thought, a specific scene, or even just a feeling you want to convey. Structure your ideas into a rough plan. How will your video start, develop, and end? Sketch an overall framework to keep you focused when you begin production. Once you planned the content of your video, it's time to think about the filming. Here's a checklist of what to consider. Location. Where are you filming the video? Indoors or outdoors? How do you get there? Do you need to speak to anyone at the location before you start filming? Batteries. Are all batteries charged for the camera, microphones and other equipment? Participants. Do the people in the video know what they should do and say and what you expect of them? Are they already at the location or do you need to bring them there? Do you need any props? What and how will you get them? How do you transport the props to the location? Shooting schedule. Do you have a plan for when the various takes and scenes will be filmed? Do you need one or several days? What's the easiest way to film in a short time? You don't need to film everything in the order it will appear in the video, since you'll edit it later. Just remember continuity, lighting, backgrounds, clothing, hair, makeup, etc. Is there enough space on the memory cards? Do they need to be formatted? Is the camera or any other equipment broken or not working correctly? Are the microphones working? Are the batteries charging? Are all cables functioning? On the filming location, it's good to keep track of a few things. Use headphones to ensure the sound is recording correctly. Make sure nothing distracting enters the camera frame during recording. Be prepared for unexpected events, weather conditions, etc. Finally, nervous participants may need some encouragement and don't be afraid to direct the people in front of the camera. After all, you know what you want. When you have all your material recorded, it's time to prepare the editing project. Start by planning and organizing your video editing project into folders. Create folders for video recordings, audio, music, voiceovers, photos, graphics, final videos, project files, pre-production folder for text files like logging and manuscripts. Now you have everything ready to import the clips you want, making it easier to find your material. Check your disk space. Running out of disk space is common when working with video. Create the project in your editing software. Check the project settings for video format, resolution, frame rate and audio settings. Import all the materials into the folders you created in the first step, and then import them into the project in the editing software. Log the material and note the time codes for the interviews, parts and video clips you like and want in the video. Now it's time for a rough cut, just the first draft on the sequence timeline. Just to have something to start working with, try to piece together the beginning and the end of the video and then build the video in between. The first image, the opening shot, is incredibly important. Whether you establish the time and place or a person, the first frame captures interest and draws the viewer into the rest of the story. If there are interviews, you can pull out the parts you want, place them on the timeline, and then build around them with video, audio, etc. The interview becomes a framework for the rest of the project to build on. Reflect and adjust. After executing your plan, it's essential to reflect on the outcome, what worked well and what can be improved. Use your new insights to adjust and enhance the future plans. By seeing planning as an indispensable part of creation, you not only make videos but also establish a workflow that you can return to when making your next video. So, start by asking the fundamental questions and let the answers guide you on your way to creating effective and memorable videos. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on video creation. See you soon! Grab a free quick guide to editing on your smartphone, the Editing Boost. See a link in the description.